Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to grow green onions in soil. First, select the white ends of store-bought green onions, ensuring they are about 1 inch long and have roots. Next, choose a pot that is at least 6 inches deep and has drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Fill your chosen container with a high-quality potting mix that drains well and is rich in organic material. This initial setup is crucial for a successful start to your green onion garden. Once your soil is ready, plant the green onion bases about 1 inch deep, spacing them approximately 1.5 inches apart. Gently cover the tops with a thin layer of soil. Immediately after planting, give them a good watering until the soil feels consistently moist but not soggy. Position your pot in a location that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. This ensures they get the energy needed for robust growth. Consistent care is key for thriving green onions. Water them whenever the top 1 inch of soil feels dry to the touch, avoiding overwatering. To encourage vigorous growth, consider fertilizing every 3 to 4 weeks with a balanced liquid fertilizer, following the product's instructions. You can begin harvesting the outer stalks when they reach 6 to 8 inches in height. Simply snip them off about 1 inch above the soil line. The wonderful thing about green onions is their ability to regrow, offering you multiple harvests from the same plant. Just keep snipping the outer stalks as needed, and new ones will emerge. Remember to trim any yellowing leaves to keep your plants healthy and productive. For more great tips and resources, including a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, make sure to check the description below for links and other deals. Happy gardening!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.